School Testing Agency conducted CMAT exam on 31st March 2021. 1st of April को मैंने वीडियो पोस्ट किया था सेम चैनल पे highlighting 6 mistakes in the exam. 100 questions थे, उसमें से 6 questions were wrong. 3rd of April को NTA ने सारे questions papers along with their answer keys declare किए. After that, I found 6 more mistakes because all the questions were in front of me. So there are a total of 12 mistakes in the paper out of 100 questions. Now, NTA ने 3 दिन का टाइम दिया था जिसमें you can challenge the answer keys. Now, in 12 में से I could challenge only 5 answer keys. मैंने खुद ने challenge किया है. But 7 questions के answer keys ही मैं challenge नहीं कर पाया because questions themselves were wrong. Now, how to report those wrong questions? That facility was not provided by NTA, and that's why the exam is not conducted in the fair manner. Now, if exam is not conducted in the fair manner, the judgment will not be fair, and the scores that all of you have got, जिन्होंने CMAT exam दी थी, वो scores भी fair नहीं होंगे. तो admissions के लिए जब आप percentile लेके जाओगे, तो आप जो percentile लेके जाओगे, that won't be fair. Now, ये मैंने वीडियो डालने के बाद some students definitely they were thinking कि क्या करें इसके ऊपर. मैंने suggest किया था कि the only way to find the justice is to go to the court of law. There is no other way. Students have sent a lot of emails but they were unanswered. तो ये students ने group form किया है and they are fighting the case. They are filing a case either in the High Court or the Supreme Court as per suggested by the lawyer. And they have formed a Telegram group. They contacted me and I talked to them. I found them really genuine. And these students have formed this Telegram group, जिसकी लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रहा हूँ. तो आप में से जो लोगों को लगता है कि CMAT एग्जाम में आपके ऊपर इनजस्टिस हुआ है and you should fight that injustice, please join that Telegram group. ये ग्रुप उन्होंने इसलिए बनाया है because lawyers suggested them that if there are at least 100 students would demand for justice and specifically demand for a retest, which I personally feel will be the fairest way in this case, ताकि सबको justice मिले. तो 100 students उनको चाहिए. These people, they have already got 50 students. They want 50 more students. And what they are doing is to pay the fees for the lawyer. They are asking for a nominal amount of 200 rupees per candidate. And I think if you are ready to pay 1000 rupees just to show the mistake, I think 200 rupees pay karna is not a big deal. I suggest all of you who are watching this video and who think that there is an injustice happened to you, whether you are in slot 1 or slot 2, both the slots had wrong questions. And you should be judged in a fair way to get into the topmost B schools in India. Then definitely you should join the Telegram group and support these students. Thank you.